These 5 Memecoins are gaining momentum. Exceptional picks for 2024 to 2025. With the development of the market for examples of cryptocurrencies, meme coins will remain a promising and profitable niche for investors. Although these assets provide higher risk, their even bigger potential to realize high returns makes it difficult not to consider them. For 2024 and 2025, 5 meme coins are gaining significant traction. Currently popular cryptocurrencies are Popcat, Bonk, SPX 6900, Dogecoin, and 888. Popcat, a dynamic community asset. Popcat has done a relatively good job in industry positioning itself through fine-tuned community engagement and shareability. This meme coin has stirred interest with one of the first-ever gamified social media-driven ecosystem concepts. New generation scholars deem Popcat to be unrivaled in its presentation of how crowds can impact the shifts in markets. Bonk, a premier Solana-based token. Bonk remains one of the distinctive meme coins on the Solana blockchain that presents incredible opportunities in its world. Therefore, through the company's distinct distribution strategy aiming mostly for community rewards, Bonk has its fair share of supporters. SPX 6900, Elite Market Performance. This remarkable coin has shown steady development, and it did not fail to indicate its possible capability to continue thriving in the future. While reporting that it does target advertisers, which are distinct from its audiences, analysts believe that SPX's capacity to dominate attention within the elite tier guarantees a perpetual demand. Dogecoin, the unparalleled pioneer. Dogecoin remains to be on top of its game as a meme coin. Destined to become an anti-joke digital currency of a highly acknowledged and recognized revolutionary nature. This feature has been instrumental in its ability to maintain remarkable market strength and flexibility in place of constant community change. 888. Profitable NFT integration. 888 provides unusual NFT offerings, both a prosperous application and Memecoin speculation. Such exceptional features make it a progressive solution for the diversification of portfolios.